Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1969 in Porbandar, a small city in Gujarat. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother name was Putlibai. He fought against British domination and he sacrificed his valuable life for us. Thank you.